Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you a new dance style called waving. Waving is about using your body to create waves. Imagine waves in the air. Your hands and arms can make wave movements. Use your legs, your body. There are lots of different ways to do waving. I know it's hard at first. It gets easier with practice. There aren't very many steps to learn with waving. There are just a few things to learn. Then lots of practice. That's it. After practice, it should become much smoother. First, we'll warm up. Wrists, arms, ready? Now we'll carry on. I'm going to teach you a type of waving called It's like a DNA strand. This is quite simple to do. I'll show you. Using both hands, okay? You have to imagine you are drawing a wave. Follow the imaginary wave. Watch my hand make a curve. Start by going up and over. Dip down and back over again. Follow your fingers. You can make different size waves, small waves, or you can make larger waves. Make them big or small. A double helix is where the hands' waves cross. Imagine a tunnel. The waves are moving upwards. It's a simple cross. Now try going up and down. Now I'll make it a bit harder. Your hands will move in opposite directions. Your left hand moves up as your right hand comes down. Left hand goes up, right hand comes down. This happens at the same time. The hands meet in the middle. When they meet, they go in the opposite direction. Go backwards. Try to keep the waves small at first. Just use your hands. Imagine a circle. Your hands move around the circle. You can see the circle shape. The hands will meet twice. When you finish practicing a small wave, make it a bit bigger. Then make sure you move your elbows. See the circle? Next, try and make the circle as big as you can. You have to use your shoulders too. See the circle? It's the same movement, just bigger or smaller. Try it small, bigger, really big. Ready? Small waves first. Remember, when you practice, it will get smoother and slick. It will look beautiful and you'll see the fixed circle shape. You can play around with it, add some movement, different heights. Move around as you do it. It will give you ideas. To recap, start with one hand, then add the second hand. Try each hand going up and down. Both hands. Good. Thanks so much for watching my DNA waving tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, you can film yourself doing waving and show me your moves. Post your video on the Deaf Motion Facebook page for my comments. Don't forget to click like on the Facebook page and subscribe on my YouTube channels. Questions and comments? Thanks, and I hope you all stay safe. Bye.